What's going on, Rodders? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the 1984 MPC 1967 Pontiac GTO for our entry to the Blue Ox Model Shop's Street Machine group build. So I figured what better kit to enter into a Street Machine group build than a 67 Pontiac GTO with some awesome features. So let's go ahead and show you some of the features that it has. It says it has big radical tires on wide custom wheels, optional supercharger setup, detailed chassis and suspension, completely detailed interior, molded in blue, bright plated parts, many optional accessories, and it has wide stripe decals by Harry Bradley. So it seems like a great fit for this group build. So this kit came out in 1984. Well, at least it has a date on 1984. It's late 70s, early 80s, that's for sure. Still sealed, as you can see. So we're going to be cracking this open and taking a look at the parts. The group build don't start officially until this Sunday, June 1st, and it runs until December 31st. So if you're planning on entering into the group build, don't start until June 1st, and you have to be done by December 31st. Check out Blue Ox Model Shop's Facebook page where you can also enter, and check out his channel. I'll have it linked in the description so you can see the list of the official rules and things from his Street Machine group build video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this kit was originally $5.49. Now we can get a better look at the box art without all the glare. Box is a little faded. But this side is definitely really cool. Got all the colors still. So let's go ahead and pop the top. And here we have the body, definitely molded in blue. Got our windshield, still in good shape. So that's good. Got our chrome pieces. So 2 different style of wheels you can choose from. Got the motor parts. Side pipes, it looks like. S pedal. Headers. Valve covers. Here's the wheels in the kit. Seems like they're Radical TA BF Goodrich. So maybe we'll change those out. I'm not too sure yet. Seems like our decal sheet probably is not gonna cut it. It was stuck to the instructions. But probably wasn't gonna go with that color scheme on the box anyways. Then we have some red clear glass for our taillights. And here's the instructions. Seems pretty basic. Then we got axle. I'm assuming that's for the rear. Then we got the Golden Opportunity Kit, where you collect the tokens that are on the box, and you can send them in and get things. So there's a Snap Police car, Corvette, some Star Wars kits, and different things you could have won. Let's go back to the instructions real quick. Just go over those. Looks like you got two different hood options as well. So wheels, interior, motor, so different suspension options. So it seems like we could add a nice rake to this kit. Got some different parts here. Got the steering wheel. Looks like maybe a sleeping bag. I'm sure that's probably something to do with the suspension. Got the chassis. Pretty nice tubbed out section, and there you can see the two holes for the axle. So we can add different adjustments. So we might change the rear wheels. Have to look and see what I got. Interior tub, dash. Here's the body. And I can see in there that we do got two different hood options. So here's this hood. Then you got another hood that's more like a teardrop style. And the vent holes cut out. Has a little bit of flashing on it, but we can clean that up. That's cool. Definitely really nice. Really like this hood. Then we got some other miscellaneous parts, firewall, battery. Got some things stuck together in the bag. There we go, got it out. Got some seats and some exhaust pipes with some rear end suspension. Got some motor parts on here. GTO. Got another seat option, so got some race seats that can go in there. So there's the like stock seats. Definitely a really nice kit. Just some wheel backs. And you got the other half of the motor in here and the radiator. Another part of the front grille. And there was one more thing in here. It's just a piece of a sprue. So that's everything we have for you from this kit. Definitely looking forward to building it. I had no idea it had two different hoods and two different sets of seats. So that's definitely really nice. Really looking forward to building this one now. Got a few different color options that I might do. So once we get to that route, well, then I'll show you kind of my ideas and see what you guys think about it. Thank you guys for checking out this video. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking it out and watching it and supporting the channel. If you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you built this kit before. I'm sure some of you guys probably have that have been building models for quite a while. So thanks guys for checking out the video. Really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.